for the apple, B for the burger, C for the chicken, D for the drink.
Mark for Future Bilingual Kindergarten and Primary School Music Technology Major. K2 English. The Kindergarten 2 classes eagerly practiced writing the letters I and J. First they took turns to practice their writing on the whiteboard before carefully guiding pencils over worksheets. The room buzzed with focused energy, each child's face a picture of concentration as they formed loops and lines on the paper. So, who's brave? Who can come to the front first and write me a letter I? Anto, good. Come on. Come on, letter I. Yeah, letter I. Oh, that's huge. Okay, on the bottom too. Look at this side. Yeah, okay. And now, small one. Start at the top. Go down. And then dot. Good job.
Do